Now let's jump into another exciting Underlord AI feature, this being creating short clips and highlight reels. Let's go to the right-hand side and click on Underlord again. And let's scroll down to Repurpose. Here we can create clips, create a highlight reel, find highlights, and even translate our video. To start, let's click on Create Clips. This allows Underlord to pick your most viral-worthy moments and create clips that pop. Essentially, Underlord will scan through your entire video. Let's say you have a podcast or a training seminar. It'll analyze your entire video and create short-form clips for you to share on social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook. This can save you so much time. To start, let's change our number of clips from 5 to 2. I'll change the clip duration from 30 seconds to 10 seconds. Then I'll find a layout that I want to go with. I'll check them out here, and I think I'll go for this layout here. You can provide a topic so Underlord understands the goal of your content a little bit more. Let's say, for example, you have a comedy podcast. You can tell Underlord that you want it to find the funniest moments within your podcast. It'll go into analyzing your video with that goal. And when Underlord is done, you'll have funny clips to share on your social media platforms. In my case, I'll just click on Submit, and Underlord will go through and analyze your video. Here you can see it's created a clip, and it even includes a virality score. In this case, it provided this clip with a 4.8, meaning that this clip has a good chance of going viral online. Now let's click on Done. And then at the top of our project, this is a good time to understand compositions. When we created our project, we also had to create a composition within it. And that's the space we've been operating in throughout this entire video. If we want to change our composition, navigate to the top and click this drop down here. Then the clips that Underlord created for us are in a different composition. Let's click on the new clip composition that Underlord created for us. And you can see here on the left-hand side that we have 2 new scenes created. Let's see what Underlord created for us.
Back in the day, if you made a mistake while exporting your content, you either had to manually reshoot or spend hours manually video editing.
As you can see, it centered me in the frame, it provided automatic captions, and it edited the video for us. If you have hours and hours of video content, this is a great way to save a ton of time. Another way to switch between your compositions, if you navigate to the right-hand side while clicked into Project, you can see your compositions listed here. To go back to our main composition, let's click on the Medics Media Demo Video composition. And now we're back. Now let's go back to Underlord on the right-hand side. Let's scroll back down to Repurpose. And here we can create a highlight reel. This will create a new composition with all of your best moments. If you're not looking for viral short-form clips, this is a good way to condense an hour-long recording down to 1 or 2 minutes.